So we're at the Offshore Renewable Energy Catapult Centre in Blyth, and this is the demonstrator day for our TIGGOR 2.5 SeaThor CableSpring product.
CableSpring has been designed to integrate buoyancy and bend protection to manage the transition of the dynamic cable between the floating body and the seabed. Using the facilities that ORE Catapult have available, both here in Blyth and at the FLOWIC Centre in Aberdeen, is absolutely invaluable to us. We can show developers and other stakeholders how CableSpring performs without having to put it offshore in the first instance. So specifically on the TIGGOR programme, we've worked very closely with companies throughout the northeast of England and developed our supply chain significantly in this region, which is fantastic to be able to support companies that are local to us.
I think CableSpring can fit in really well with the way the floating wind industry is going, with requirements for larger offsets on platforms, and this seems to manage those quite well. In terms of how it fits into the wider system, it could definitely help with the way our cables operate, so really exciting, yeah.
We have a whole host of testing that we're still looking through 2026 to carry on with. And then onwards from that, we're looking towards demonstration projects and engagement with developers and other partners to get the CableSpring in the water.